Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Hacks and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to make an extension cord at home. For this, you need this type of white tub for a support, 2 screws. Then you need some wires and some big wires. Then you need a socket and a switch, and I've already attached it because if I start attaching now it will take a lot of time, or about 5 minutes for me, so I already attached it. Now what I need to do, take this black wire, then take this pin, these 2 pins, then take it, the black wire, put it inside it like this, and just close the lid. If you want to use 1 pin socket, then also you can use. I am using 2 pin sockets, and put on that wire any other pin of the switch as I attach. See the connections, these two to connect to switch, a new wire. Then I want to take the big wire. I'm taking the black one, and you need to put it like this inside it, to the any of it like this to the plug. Put it properly. If you not put it properly, what will happen, guys? This will make a short circuit and you do a timer shock. Ready to a timer shock? Don't put it properly. Make it your own tricks. I will not responsible of your anybody activities. As I have screwed it. Unscrew it. Now what I need to do? Leave it. Don't put it anywhere. Now take the second wire, and just what you need to do, put the wire to the switch, this one, like this. See the connections, this 2 to the 1 switch and 1 switch out, this 2 input and that is out, no connections. Now what you need to do, take these 2 wires, take out it from this point where is a hole, you can take out it. Take both wires and take out it out of the box, and just close the box. After attempting all the connections, it will look like this. You need to secure it with the screws. 2 screws I am using, like this. Secure it. After doing it, do the second one. After doing it, it will look like this. Now just, you can see the wire, 2 wires. I am going to plug it with the extension cord. See, I got the extension cord. I am going to plug it in. As I got plugged it off. Now for testing, I'm going to test this small bulb. First of all, I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to on the switch. First check these wires, touch it properly, then on the switch. All these wires I have not plugged, sorry. I need to plug it in. I plug these wires properly here. I'm going to plug it in. Then see, it got on. Lights get on and off. See. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Do not forget to like the video and share it how much, so I can the knowledge will spread to everybody, so everybody can get the knowledge. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.